Hello everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing for you from Barbados guava cheese. This is made with guavas, which I'm going to be using the tin ones. You can use the fresh ones, but you have to go through the process of boiling them and then cooling them down and everything. So I'm going to be using the tin ones because they're already soft, and as you can see I've de-seeded them, but there's still some pulp in there what I'm going to crush through. So our ingredients for today are guavas, lemon, a bit of ginger and sugar, and we're going to be using our processor to process it. So that is our ingredients for today. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move these things out of the way and then I'll be back with you. So we've got our things out of the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh the guavas, because the same weight of guavas is what we're going to put in the same weight in sugar. So I've got 1 pound, just over a pound of guavas. I'm going to put those back into the bowl, and then we're going to put the same weight back in the sugar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get our food processor. We're going to put the guavas in there. I have to do 2 lots. I'm going to put some of the juice in there as well. Just move that out of your way so you can see what's going on. So we're just going to blend this out. Right, so that's about how much blending we need to do on it. So with this, what's blended now, as you can see, it's nice and pulpy. I'm going to pour this straight into our pan, and I'm going to do the another lot. So we're just going to blend this lot again for about 30 seconds. So that's our guava blended out. The redness is what you can see. I've just put a bit of food colouring just to give it a bit more depth so you can see what's going on. Now these seeds, I'm just going to crush them out through a sieve. So this is just to get the juices out of what's left in it. I'm just going to pour this juice in there. Then we're going to weigh out the equal amount of sugar. So we've got equal amount of sugar, so I'm going to pour this into here as well. Right. So into that now, I'm going to finely grate some ginger. This is just going to add a bit of flavour to it. This is optional. If you don't want to put this in there, you don't have to. But I think it's a lot nicer in there. Let's just use these graters. It's got a little bit more. Right, then we're going to put this onto a low heat to start heating up. Now into this now I'm going to squeeze our lemon. So I've got the juice, just the juice of the lemon going in. There you can see it's starting to bubble already, and this is one what you've got to keep stirring. These lemons are just more skin than juice. So we're going to start the stirring process now and get that all incorporated. So this is going to be on the fire for about 15-20 minutes. Right everybody, as you can see, it's got to the boiling point now. So what we want it to do is go boil right down to when it's coming away from the sides on its own. So you just keep an eye on it and keep constantly stirring it. And you should be alright. You see it's nice, getting nice and thicker now. It's going to get a lot thicker than this. So I'm not going to keep you and let you watch all of it. When it gets down to near what it should be, then I'll get back to you. Right everybody, we're coming down now. You can see it's about halfway now. Still got a bit of way to go, because we want it to come down to like a fudge consistency. And then meanwhile what you can do, like a flat glass tray, just lightly, very lightly grease it. Well, because once this goes down, you're going to transfer it to this, and then you're going to flatten it out. So that's it coming down now. It's still got a way to go. So you want it folding away from the sides. Okay, when we get nearer to it, we'll come back again. Right, we're coming down now to the last minutes. It's been on the heat now for 35 minutes. And we want this to thing till it comes away from the sides on its own. So you can see it's a nice thick consistency. So when it starts to come away from the side, then we'll come back again. So don't want to keep it on too long. You're just watching it go reducing and everything. So if you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section below. Right everybody, we got the finished article now. We've poured it into its container. We're going to let that cool down. And once it's cooled down, we're going to cut it into strips, and you can keep it into an airtight container. If you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Right everybody, this is the finished article when it's cut up, and we put it onto, cut it into squares so you can see what it looks like. You can see it's nice and chewy and it's sticky. You sprinkled it with a little caster sugar just to keep them separate. But that is your guava cheese sweets. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.